me, my official names are Sarah Kinyua. So I'll no longer be using the name Sarah Kabu. So from today, even bloggers, when you're referring to me, I want you to refer to me as Sarah Mtali, that's my brand name online, or Sarah Kinyua if it is something official. I didn't tell you what I was going through. I was encouraging you. I opened the foundation to encourage you because I know sometimes that journey is not easy. So me, what nawaomba is that I still believe in marriage. Say I'm not good enough kurudi soko, but I believe one day nitarudi soko na hata mimi nitarudi kwa marriage tena. So mimi, I just want to tell you, like, muvumilie ndoa. I will still say that because I know like ndoa is not, it's not easy, but I believe it's something that was ordained by God, and I will still continue supporting young women to stay in marriage. But I want to apologize also for telling women to stay in marriages where there is infidelity. Wamama, tafadhali naomba msamehe.
Because some things can happen when someone is angry, someone, things are emotional, and I don't want to be the judge. And I want to categorically say about this nanny. One, my relationship with her and any other nanny is professional and has ever been professional, employer-employee, and even hivyo. And guys, kweli, hata saa hii after she left, I still have a nanny here. Because siwezi kaa without a nanny. Because sasa nitakaje without a nanny, na pengine siko, mtu wa manguo, nini, all that. So, she's here, and I think I am, nimeona mingi. Nasa hii niko 50 years, nimeona maneno mingi to an extent that maneno ingine si lazima ikue. It's not ati kwa sababu mtu wako hapa, ati hapana. I am a professional person, na nini. So, kuna rumors now that sijui a lady was pregnant, sijui what. Guys, this lady has never, or any other lady for that matter, been pregnant with my child. None. And guys, at my status, nini sasa? Hakuna nobody na hakuna hata mmoja.
Naitwa Kinyua Irato na nimekuja kwa sababu ya hii issue ya Simon na Sarah a bonfire. Ni kitu imekuwa online, kwa hivyo si ati kwamba na disclose vitu ambazo ni personal. But mimi ninaona hatari. And I want to give my advice, you take it or you leave it. Sikuwa najua kwamba Sarah ndiye alikuwa mwanzilishi wa hii kampuni. Lakini sasa nimesikia yeye mwenyewe akisema he will take over, she will take over, and from now henceforth. Na nikasikia story nyingine ya huzuni sana kwamba kwamba Simon alikuwa makanga, akamsaidia kutoka pale makanga mpaka mahali wamefika. Yes, hizo vitu ni mzuri kwa sababu I know it is painful. Maybe you raise with somebody from that background, na sasa unaona ameanza pengine kukua na madharau ama hakai vile wewe ungetarajia, ama huko nafikiria atabadilika. Na watu ni watu, wanabadilika. But my great concern iko hapa kwa kampuni, kwa sababu you have worked a lot to make this company to be a voice in Kenya, and we can count it like number one. But now I can see failure along the way. One of the things that makes business to be successful is marketing and administration. And I want to speak this very clear, that Sarah, you are so good in administration. And Simon, you are so good in marketing. That is why we say jambo jambo. Because you are so good in that. Now comes a point you feel that you can do both. Can do administration and you can do marketing. On the other side, also Simon feels Now he can also stand alone and do both. And this is where failure will come on. I want to advise that many things were started, but they failed when they are on their peak. And I want to advise that we trusted you because you were together. So now the trust will go down because now you are in diverse. Na hii ndio sasa mimi ninahuzunika sana.